Hey everyone, welcome back. Here I will show you how to fix ChatGPT model not found error. If you're getting that annoying model not found error in ChatGPT, don't panic. It's a common issue and the fix is actually very simple. This usually happens when you upgrade to the ChatGPT Go free 1-year plan. After upgrading, you might suddenly see model not found while trying to start a chat, but don't worry, it's an easy fix. For me, the method 3 worked wonderfully. Still, I would suggest follow all below methods. Here we go. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Make sure your Wi-Fi or mobile data is stable. If needed, switch to another network or refresh your router. Unstable connections can also trigger this error. Step 2. Clear your browser cookies and cache. Sometimes old session data gets stuck. Go to your browser settings and clear cookies and cache for chat.openai.com only. Then reopen the site and log in again. Step 3. Log out and log back in. This method worked for me. This simple action solves the problem for most users. Just log out of your ChatGPT account, close the browser tab, then log back in. Once you do that, the error usually disappears instantly. Step 4. Disable any browser extensions. Extensions like ad blockers, VPNs, or script filters can sometimes interfere with ChatGPT. Try turning them off, or just open ChatGPT in incognito window to check quickly. Step 5. On the mobile app. If you're using ChatGPT on your phone, close the app completely and reopen it. If the problem continues, uninstall and reinstall the app. It often fixes things instantly. After following these steps, log back in and ChatGPT should start working smoothly again. That's it for today's guide. If this video helped you fix the problem, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more quick ChatGPT troubleshooting tutorials and AI tips.